Nhớ rong chong chia. Happy New Year. So today will be our second day for the Hmong New Year in Anchorage, Alaska. M. Thomas Young, Alaska New Year Cheer 2024-25. Welcome to Hmong Alaska New Year. The Hmong New Year celebration is a major holiday to celebrate for the Hmong people and all the neighbors in our communities to come to celebrate. New Year together, it has been celebrated for centuries or 100 years, as our elderly keep this traditional in the past until today and for the future. Most New Year original was held on the end of December and the beginning of January each year. But the weather in the state of Alaska encouraged inconvenience for us during that time. So we have to take this event earlier than usual to celebrate the New Year in today, Sunday, 25, 2024. The elders refer this time as a resting time from the past year hard work. We come together to celebrate the New Year with families and friends to enjoy each other's company. The single men and women, including boys and girls or young people, will take this time to meet each other Did you check the microphone? No. Sorry about that. To meet each other and to find friends, loved one or couple. The most leader will come to speak to the people to be a good citizens, to the city, state, and country. In this year, Hmong community and board members have been elected me as a chairman or Hmong Alaska New Year's president, 2024-25. Accompanying me in matter, including our board members related to the New Year celebration. Our goal is to keep this traditional for the new young generation to celebrate the New Year for our elderly and young people, so they can have the opportunity to meet each other once a year. Furthermore, for them to know each other well as families and friends. I hope this New Year celebration will bring you with joy, happiness, and cheer to all of us. Thanks to all my board members for your hard work with me and make New Year celebration happen. And thank you very much for the Hmong community, leaders, sponsors, supporters, and all the guest speakers. Without your support, this New Year celebration even may not possible. And we can't stand here to support each other in our community. Your endorsement is highly valued and greatly benefits to our mission. We are looking forward for your support in the next coming year. Have a great Happy New Year to all. Thank you.
To President Hmong New Year